How to take a screenshot using keyboard shortcuts in Windows 10. Whether you want to save the entire screen, or just a part of it, we have rounded up all the most common keyboard shortcuts for taking a Windows 10 screenshot. I'll only cover Windows 10 built-in screenshot tools, so you can choose for yourself without installing any third-party software. So, let's take a look at some different keyboard shortcuts for taking screenshots in Windows 10. To capture your entire screen, simply tap the print screen key on your keyboard. The screenshot will not be saved as a file, but it will be copied to the clipboard. You will need to open an image editing tool such as Microsoft Paint, Paint 3D, or even Microsoft Word, then paste the screenshot in the editor. Then, you can save the image to a folder. To capture your entire screen and automatically save the screenshot, press the Windows plus print screen key. Once you have taken a screenshot, it will be saved to the Pictures folder. If you just want to take a shot of an individual window on your screen, use the keyboard shortcut, Alt plus print screen. This will snap your currently active window and copy the screenshot to the clipboard. You'll need to open an image editor to save the screenshot as a file. To take a screenshot of the active window, press the Windows plus Alt plus print screen keys. When you do that, Windows 10 automatically saves the screenshot in the Videos folder. The easiest way to capture only the selected area of your screen is with the keyboard shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus S. It will open a tiny menu at the top of your screen that lets you choose which type of screenshot you want to take: rectangular, freeform, individual window, or full screen. Just to show you, I am selecting the freeform option. Now, you need to left-click and drag the mouse pointer to select a portion of the screen to capture. Once you take your screenshot, it will be saved to your clipboard and show up as a notification on your screen. Click the notification to open the screenshot in the Snip Sketch app. From here, you can save it to a folder. As you can see, there are many ways to shoot a screenshot in Windows 10. Before closing this tutorial, tell us, what's your favorite method of taking screenshots in Windows 10?